Hi everyone, welcome to part 4 of the Revit family tutorial series. Today I'm going to show you how to make use of the Revolve command. So let's start a new uh, Revit family. So I'll click on new here. I'm going to make use of the metric generic model template. Click on it, open. So I'll wait for it to open. So under create, you see that we have Revolve here. So we've looked at how to make use of the extrusion and blend in the previous tutorial on this series. So if you haven't known how to make use of the extrusion command and blend, I advise you watch the previous tutorial under this series. So I'll just go straight to click on Revolve here. So there are two things you need to create a Revolve. You need the boundary line and the axis. So with the boundary line already selected, and you could pick on any of these draw to draw your object, and it automatically revolve. Alright, so I'll go here and click on the line command, and I will draw a slanting line here. Now you must make sure that your shape is closed. Alright, so once I'm done, I'm going to go to axis. So there are two options provided for you to create an axis. It's either you draw one, right, or you pick a reference line or maybe a reference. All right, so I'm going to click on this and then select this as a reference. So once I'm done selecting, I'm going to um, check the button here. So we have uh, our revolve stuff here. So this has been set by default to 360, but eventually I want it to be 270. You could change it down here on the properties, and then you could change the start angle, and you can even change that to solid or void. So let's look at what we've created so far. Go to the 3D here, hold your shift and revolve. Alright, so this is it. This is what we've created so far. So I'm going to make it 360 so that completely closed, and we're good. So this is very useful, especially when you want to create maybe a wash basin, a round wash basin, or a duct or pipe that is transiting from a bigger diameter to a smaller diameter. Alright, so if let's assume that this is a duct or maybe a pipe, we could go ahead and add a pipe connector at both ends. So I could go here and check add a pipe connector. I just click on this fix here, and we are good. And I hold on the shift and click on this place, this face also. Okay. So we need to go back to create and create a pipe connector, and then we are good. Okay. So this is good. Create a pipe connector. Okay, that's great. So be able to add the pipe connector to both ends. So this is great. So you could change the pipe connector here to actually reflect the size of pipe you want to be able to extrude from this point here. So, but for now, we'll just keep it simple. So I believe you've been able to understand how to make use of the revolve command. So this is the end of the tutorial for revolve command. In the next tutorial, we're going to look at how to make use of the sweep command, and then don't forget to like and share my videos. and also subscribe so that you don't miss out on subsequent videos. I'll advise you practice this, and if there's any challenge, put it on the comment section and I'll be there to assist you. Alright, see you in the